Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to tell you about the processing of food in our food lesson. Let's begin the processing of food. Different methods of preparing food. Preparing food is an extremely important art and essential for our life. There are many ways of preparing food. Rice is boiled, but idli is made by steaming. Potato chips are fried and chicken is fried and boiled. Pickles are preserved by cutting and mixing. Some other foods like peanuts, they are roasted. Pakodi or puri, they are made by deep frying. Potatoes, eggs are boiled, that is boiling method. Idlis are made by steaming. Rice is made by boiling. Peanuts are prepared by roasting. And pakodi and puri, deep frying. Chicken, fish, shallow frying. Chutneys, spinach curry or lemon, any other mango pickle is done by cutting and mixing. Therefore, different kinds of foods are prepared in different methods. Here is the table for you in your textbook. You can peep into it and see the process involved in making food. What process it is called as? Boiling process, steaming process, fermentation. This fermentation, food is soaked, the rice and urad dal, like for example, soaked and mixed it into paste. Then we make it ferment overnight and then put dosha. That process is called fermentation. Dosa material should get fermented. So overnight we make the paste to stay in the bowl so that it gets fermented, and then that is process is called fermentation. So boiling, steaming, fermentation, roasting, deep frying, shallow frying, chopping and mixing. Some vegetables are chopped and mixed with adding certain ingredients, that is called chopping and mixing. Cutting and mixing, pickles are all cut into pieces and mixed with salt and chili powder. All pickles are made by method cutting and mixing. Now coming to the preservation. How are foods preserved? Foods are preserved by drying method. We dry the mango pieces first, cut them and mix them with salt, chili powder, fenugreek powder, turmeric powder, and it is preserved in the jar. So it will stay for any longer time, up to 1 year and so on. So whereas other vegetables are also dried and also pickled, some kind of vegetables like bitter gourd and some other vegetables also can be pickled by the similar process like mango pickle, lemon pickle. So any kind of pickles, almost all pickles, gongura pickle, tomato pickle, all these are first cut into pieces and mix them with certain ingredients. The most important ingredients for preservation of this are salt, chili powder, fenugreek powder and turmeric powder. These four materials will make the pieces preserved for longer time. So it is called adding salt, chili powder and oil. Adding only salt also certain substances will stay like potato chips. Drying method, fish, vegetables are dried and also preserved for a long time by adding salt and chili powder. There and some other fruits like mango, guava and almost all kinds of fruits are preserved by making them into pulp and mixing in the sugar syrup. Therefore, the preservation is done by sugar syrup. The fruit jams and also juices are also preserved for longer time by adding sugar. Some people also decorate the food items that are prepared with designs with the vegetables itself. This is called vegetable carving. Now we'll go back to how the ingredients that are called that are used for preparing biryani known as. Children, I told you to prepare a list of ingredients prepared for biryani, used for biryani. Like now the ingredients, different types of ingredients such as ilachi, cardamom, lavang is also called clove, dalchini also called cinnamon, biryani leaves, pepper. All these are called condiments or sugandha dravyalu, that is fragment materials. So after the preparation of biryani, this fragment smell will be coming because of this addition of this sugandha dravyalu ingredient condiments. Some people also put cashew nuts, almonds, kismis, dry fruits, etc. in the biryani. So that's all about the lesson. So, now you can also learn some preparation of curries from your parents and write them for your assignment. How a different particular curry is prepared, what are the ingredients and the method of preparation. You can do it for your assignment. I am going to tell you now the key points. We get food from plants and animals. For cooking food, we need different types of ingredients. We use different parts of plants like stem, roots, leaves, fruits and flowers as food. Taste of the food is based on its ingredients, method of preparation and cultural practices of the region. Boiling, steaming, fermentation or some methods of preparing food. We use preservatives to prepare food for some time. The homework for the lesson is you write the preparation of any of your favorite curry. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you can watch our newly posted videos like